Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Says for You. In this session today we are going to learn how to convert from decimal to octal number system. A decimal integer can be converted to octal by using same repeated division method that we use in the decimal to binary conversion, but with a division factor of 8 instead of 2. An example for this is 765 base 10. So 765 divided by 8. 8 nines are 4 carry. Then 8 fives are 45. 5 remainder. Again divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 carry. 8 twos are is 16. So again 8 ones are 8. 7 remainder. 8 ones are 8. So remainder 3. So we cannot divide 1 by 8. So remainder is 1. So this will become MSD and this will become LS. So the result of 765 base 10 is equal to 1375 base 8. Thanks for watching.